chocolate. Gamitin natin chocolate. Okay.
Perfect for starts.
Ito ang graham.
Marshmallows.
Kukuha tayo ng...
Marshmallows.
Ayan, tika, wait.
Let's go better cake.
Saan yung ating pang? Okay. Oy, asan yung marshmallow, Goy? Okay. Ayan, kay para daw silang nagka-camping. Ito yung ating chocolate. Chocolate bar from the dumpster. Be careful. Ako lang dito.
Oh, wait, can I open it? Can I see you eat one s'mores?
Ilagay natin sa s'mores to.
Can I have one, please? One for me and one for CJ?
Yeah. Dalawa to, boy. Dalawa kasi
Can I
maliliit.
have one, please?
Yes.
I'll have it first. Give me one, please.
O, sige. Kuha ka ng upuan. O, iganon mo na. O, sige.
Okay.
Iganyan mo na. Isbagay ang sa ibabaw.
Oh.
Ayan na si Kishana. O, kuha mo upuan si Jika. Kuha ka ng upuan.
It's s'mores. This is for you.
Don't touch the ano. O, ganyan. Sige.
It's s'mores is yummy.
Ayan, ayan.
Twist.
Ilagay mo na sa ibabaw. Ilagay mo na sa ibabaw. Ayan. Oops. Hala ka. Igarit, iikot-ikutin mo. Ikot-ikutin lang siya sa stove lang. Sa ano to, sa may ano sana to, sa yung apoy. Yung fire talaga na
We need it for
nag-aapoy. Asan ang ang ito?
Mommy, you hold this, please.
Tika.
You
O sige.
you give us some marshmallows right there, please.
Kishana, put in there. No, no, no. We gotta put in the sandwich. O, hawak ko. Kunin mo kaya para mabilis.
Where? What do you need?
Oh.
What do you need?
Kuha ka na dyan. Kuha ka ng ano dyan.
Crackers?
Crackers.
This one's open.
Yeah, that's fine.
We always have one,
Sige,
please.
lagay ka dito. Goy, mag-s'mores ka o hindi?
Yes.
S'mores man kaya ang hinahanap mo? Kalangas.
I have for CJ.
Do not cut it. Don't cut it.
Okay.
Don't cut.
This is too big. Oh, it's burning. I go inside.
CJ. Na-burn na talaga, oh. Ayan. CJ, wait. Hindi pa tapos. Hindi pa tapos yan. Sama na eh. Bigay mama, bi. Sus ko. Wa na. Sunog na. Wala pa nga itong chocolates. Okay. Ayan. CJ, give me. Ano ba itong mga nasunog na itong kay CJ. Plato dong, bigit ba plato?
Is it ready?
Don't touch, init pa to.
Oh, we go put in her. Let's just go.
Mag-camping sila. Okay. Ayan ang sandwich. Okay, sa ano? Junior, sus na unsa man yung tinapay gibalik-balik manininyo. Wait. Kain sila sa loob ng tent. Okay.
CJ!
Anong bye, CJ?
CJ! CJ!
Ayan.
CJ, come here!
Okay. Ready na? Ready na ang makulit? Krishana, bakit andyan na kayo? Wala kayong ano?
Where?
Put the tent dito, dito. Huwag dyan sa sahig, dito. Hilahin mo, hilahin mo.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Dito mo lagay kay... Ayan.
This is our adventure snacks. Thanks. Thanks, Mommy.
You're welcome. Ayan na sila mga kaibigan. Oh, nagkain na sila. Nagcamping ko daw. You're gonna eat your sandwich like that. Like that. Oh, bite. Like that. Okay?
My sound.
That's how you eat it. Ikaw din.
What's happening to my sound? Sticky.
Labas, labas, labas. Okay. Na, ganyan. You bite, bite, bite. Perfect. Need help?
Huh?
Ayan, nag-camping na sila, oh. Hello, Ma'am Brenda, Barrido Nelson. Nag-s'mores. Ayan, lang ganda pala ng ano, mga kaibigan, oh. Tent.
Yeah.
Tinatapon lang talaga nila, hindi ko makapaniwala, brand new. Nagamit, pang ano siya, pang bulilit ba? Meron siya ditong ano, maano din siya, oh, kasi silang dalawa. Tamang-tama talaga to be para sa atin.
Yeah.
Gusto mo buksan natin, ganon? Yan. Mahulog, baby. Come on, you need help?
No, baby, you're down.
Oh, sige, sige. Bite. Sarap, John. Nakahiga na. Huwag kang humiga. Hindi ka makaayos kumain. Don't make a mess. Hindi, ako na. Hawak. Very good.
Mommy, you get us water.
Where's your water?
Water?
Water? Okay. Come to tubig. I'll be back.
What's that? Water. Let's go. Go inside the cave. Ew.
You have to share with CJ. Ito ba? Kailangan natin ibukas yan, di?
Baby. Mama! We need the water to stick out the marshmallow. Put your water in the marshmallow. You need to put your hands in the water because it's still sticky. The marshmallow's
Use
still
this wipe.
sticky. Hey, Mama.
Ang mga makukulit na mga bulilit. Buksan natin to, Goy, kay para Kailangan pala natin ng clip nito, Bi, para i-clip natin to para mabilis lang ninyo. Ano. Huwag mo na i-zipper. Hindi ako, Bi. Ay. Tubig, tubig. Oh. Share lang kayo ng tubig.
I'm done.
You want some more?
No, thank you.
Okay. Figure out.
Mommy gave us some marshmallow. Was not sticky.
Okay, get one and one for CJ. You like that, CJ, ha? Nas dudong mga kaibigan, oh, nag-ano na siya. Di, tapusin mo yan. Di ako, Bi, ako magsubo sa'yo. Ako na magsubo kay Sticky.
I got two. One for me, one for CJ. Let's go see marshmallow.
Good? Very good. Ito, tapusin mo to na. Bite. Ah, there you go. Good. You share with CJ daonan, boy.
Down. Now, guys, down.
He said, lay down, lay down. He said, CJ say, lay down.
Lay down with me. You want, baby? You want to be my friend. Lay down with me, baby. I see you laying down with me. Mommy. Bye, love. We're gonna eat marshmallow. So good. Now chocolate. And I got one piece of chocolate. I eat it one chocolate. A little bit. That's it. A little bit.
Okay.
A little bit, and I pick it up in my mouth. I do a little bit. A little bit, and I try it, and I like it.
Okay, you done?
Let's go to sleep. Mama, I want to go to sleep.
Okay, go to sleep.
Mommy, you turn the light off.
No, CJ is not finished eating yet.
Oh, we just
Tapusin mo muna si CJ.
pick this out, Mom.
Hindi pa tapos si CJ kumain.
Okay.
Diyan ka na matulog?
No, see,
Ako na,
CJ made us sleep here.
Ako na, kay sticky talaga yan. Sticky.
Actually, that was not so sticky. Yeah. Actually, snacks are our favorite. I think my tummy's so big. I don't know how to eat here. I know.
One more?
Yum. This is so good, Mom. Thanks for having us here to eat.
You're welcome.
You say bye to the live?
Bakit? Tulog na kayo?
Yeah. Let us turn up the light. You have to work.
Okay.
You have to work, Mama.
Okay.
Mommy,
Matulog na daw sila ang kaibigan.
Mama, you can't leave this open. Let the zipper.
Wait lang, wait.
Me and TJ are gonna play in the morning. We're gonna wake up. I put the light on.
Wait lang, kasi CJ, one more left. Matulog na daw sila.
Let's go. Time to go to bed.
Dahil mo yung kusina dong.
I need to go to bed. Take that off now.
Ayan dinala ni CJ mga kaibigan sa kusina ang plato. Alam na ni CJ paano dahil yung doon sa kusina. Ayan, nas doon Julio. Bumalik na. Thank you, CJ. Inom tubig. Inom tubig, one more.
Open up.
Inom.
Let's go to bed, Mama. See it.
Okay.
Let's get inside.
Wait lang. Huwag mo dalhin tubig kay mga basa kayo dyan sa loob.
Okay. Bye.
Pasok ako, Goy. Pasok ako.
No. Okay. What's it? Open.
Okay, pasok na tayo sa loob eh. Tingnan natin magkasya ba ako dito. Oh, ay. Oh.
We don't have the last space.
Yeah.
Zip it up. Then
Magkasya pala. Ano mga kaibigan? Oh.
we can slip us here.
Okay. Sige, sleep na.
No, you're inside it. You're squishing us. Nice.
Good night, CJ. Okay.
Actually, get out of here. Sleep.
Okay, okay. Masyadong malaki lang ako, pang bulilit lang talaga siya. Ayan, si CJ na
Get
tulog-tulog.
outside.
Okay.
Good night. Bye-bye.
Oy, wag ka magtayo kay. Angat yung ano ninyo. Okay, wag ganyan CJ or get out. Masira yan. Masira yan, ay.
Mommy, you read us a bed story? A midnight story? Down. I'll get a bed story book.
Go ka ng book.
Down. A train book.
Okay.
You read the train book?
Okay, let's read the train book.
No!
We'll have the train book. That's okay, Goy. Oh, yan ang train book, CJ. Kinuha na doon yun.
I think I'll give you another book. My favorite book of...
O, sige mga kaibigan. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Mag-ano muna sila. Matulog daw sila. Train. Choo-choo.
Mommy, read that book.
No, I will read that one too. Okay, bye.
It is book.